Hi guys, welcome to our channel Addend Analytics, Microsoft Gold Partner. My name is Weber and I'm working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. So as of you know, we have started Power Query tutorial series, and this is the part 3 where we are going to talk about the append. So let's go to the Power Query. So the append function allows you to combine the two or more tables into the single table. Let me show you how it is works. So we have two tables, employees data and organizational data. We want to append these two tables together to create a single combined table. So to do that, we should go to home tab in Power Query and then click on the append queries. Here is the two option will be shows, append queries and append queries as the news. So whenever you click on append queries, the same table has appended to another table, but whenever you click on append queries as new, then new table is the created. Then okay, we click on append queries as new. Here is window pop-up comes up and it shows two tables or the three tables. So first we have the only two tables, then we will select the first is already selected employee data, then second we will select the organizational data. Hit OK button and Power Query will create a new table that combines the both table, the table 1 and the table 2. Okay, then uh, how it is works. So when you append the two tables in the Power Query, combines the row from the both tables into the single table. So like example, you have in employee data you have 1000 rows, and in organizational data same you have 1000 rows. So the count of two rows, so it gives the count of two rows, it is 2000. So we can check it in the view tab. We can click on the column profiling, so it is give exactly, sorry, we have to select a column based on the entire data, so it is give exactly 2000 rows data. So one important note to take care, the column from the both table should be matched in order to append. If we have the different tables, or if we have the different column, then the column will be shows as the null. Example, these are the different columns like the project code, manager name and performance rating, work location. These are the different columns, so these are the this it is showing as the null values. So that's how the append function works. It help you to combine the multiple tables into the one, but need to make sure the column should be matches and the data type of the column should be matches. Okay, so we are going to see next transformation in the next video. Still you can like this video if you found useful, share it with your friends or colleagues who needs to learn Power Query. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming tutorial update. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.